So you saw the thumbnail. If you've stopped in because you said to yourself, I've never cleaned and sanitized my toothbrush, then this is the video for you and you need to keep watching. Okay, now that your toothbrush is cleaned, that was step number 1, let's get into step number 2. We are now going to take our clean toothbrush and sanitize it using something that you probably already have right now in your kitchen. So what you're going to need next is good old distilled white vinegar. That's right, vinegar. You're going to pour some vinegar into a cup, take your toothbrush, plop it right on in there and let it sit for about 15 minutes to a half an hour. I usually let mine sit for at least a half an hour. That way you're making sure that it is totally sanitized and all the bacteria and nasty germs are completely removed and gone. Now, after you've let your toothbrush soak in the vinegar for about 15 minutes to a half an hour, I'd say half an hour, then you want to give it a really good rinse under very hot water, and then let it air dry, and that is it. Your toothbrush is cleaned and sanitized. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe bell, and don't forget to hit the notification. That way you never miss when I upload a new video each and every week. Take care.